Hi, I'm Chef Chris Wilson, corporate chef for United Family of Stores. There's been a lot of questions on how can I dress up my store-bought dessert? Well, I've got an idea for you today that's not only tasty but memorable. Flambe over cheesecake. The great thing about flambe, it's very impressive to your guest. You can either make it in the kitchen on your stovetop or purchase one of these portable burners and do it in the dining room. The first dish we'll be making is Cherries Jubilee, a classic flambe dessert. We're going to be starting with some butter, brown sugar, adding a little lemon zest and cinnamon, adding our dark sweet cherries, you can use fresh or canned like I have here, and flaming it with some cherry flavored brandy. Today I'm going to be using a portable butane burner. As you can see, it has a tank that you put in. It's portable, so you can take it just about anywhere, nice and compact. And we're going to be using a shallow skillet. We're going to turn this on and get our pan hot. As you can see, we have a nice pure blue flame. We're going to get our pan nice and hot. We're going to add our butter to our hot pan and let it start melting. Stir it around a little bit. We're going to add our sugar to it. I know it's a lot of sugar, but that's what makes it good. Stir this around. Let that melt and let our sugar dissolve. Now you can see that our sugar is dissolved. We're going to add a little lemon zest to this. Followed by the lemon zest, we're going to add a stick of cinnamon just to add a little bit of flavor. I have some reserved cherry juice from the canned cherries. We're going to add our dark cherries to this. We're going to let this heat up and cook and let all those flavors come together for just a little bit. Now we're going to add our cherry flavored brandy. Now you can add a cherry liqueur and one of your favorite brandies if you'd like, but we're using a cherry flavored brandy here. We're going to let that heat up just a little bit, and then we're going to tilt this and let it ignite to burn off that little bit of alcohol that's in there, as you can see. We're just going to let it burn off and reduce. Now it's time to turn it off and serve it to our guest. Right over a nice big thick slice of New York style cheesecake. I'm just going to spoon it over, right over the top. Some juice on the plate, just like that. It's ready to serve to your guest. These recipes and others are available on our website.